Hi, analyst. Welcome to day 4 of our ArcGIS Pro challenge tutorial. Today's tutorial is all about understanding coordinate system in GIS and learning how to change them for map layers. By the end of this tutorial, you will know why coordinate systems are so important in mapping, and you'll be able to switch between them confidently in ArcGIS Pro. To start with, what is coordinate system? Coordinate system is a framework that defines how spatial data is projected on the Earth's surface. Especially, it gives our data a reference point, which allows us to understand where features are located on our map. Without coordinate system, our spatial data would have no real-world location, making it difficult to analyze or compare. In order to understand the locations of our data in space, we need coordinate system. So all spatial data are built in coordinate system. There are two main types of coordinate system. We have geographic coordinate system and projected coordinate system. Geographic coordinate system, simply put as GCS, it makes use of latitude and longitude to locate points on the Earth's surface. It is very useful for global data, but is not always accurate for measurement. On the other hand, we have projected coordinate system, simply put as PCS, which are used to flatten the Earth's surface onto a 2D plane. Imagine the distortion of an egg and putting its shells on a flat surface. This is what projected coordinate system looks like. And in projected coordinate system, we have systems like the UTM or state plane, which are designed for a more localized and precise measurement. So if we are carrying out an analysis which is measurement based, you should use projected coordinate system to accurately measure distances, area, and some other calculations performed in GIS. Choosing the right coordinate system matters a lot in GIS because it affects how distances, areas are being calculated. So when you use the wrong coordinate system, it could lead to inaccurate analysis, especially in projects that requires high precisions, such as infrastructure planning or environmental studies. So it is always a good practice to use projected coordinate system when you are working on analysis that has to do with measurement. Now, let's put this knowledge into practice. Here is a sample project open in ArcGIS Pro. We are going to check the coordinate system of the map and change it as needed. To check the coordinate system of these layers, we can right-click on any layer of interest and click Properties. Make sure you are under the Source tab, then expand Spatial Reference. From here, we can see that the present coordinate system used by this layer is Geographic Coordinate System WGS 1984. We can check for other layers by repeating the same process. Expand Spatial Reference, and it shows that this layer is currently in a projected coordinate system WGS 1984 Web Mercator. This actual coordinate system is the coordinate system mostly used in WebGIS. The next task is to learn how to reproject into a specific coordinate system. To do this, locate Analysis tab. click on Tools. Then you have the geoprocessing pane added here. Type in projects. You will have different options. Starting from here, you can use this to override the coordinate system information stored with a dataset. This tool is intended for datasets that have unknown or incorrect coordinate system defined. So basically, if you have your dataset and it does not have any coordinate system defined, then you can make use of this tool. We have batch projects, which changes the coordinate system of a set of input feature classes or feature dataset to a common coordinate system. So basically, you need this if you have multiple layers that you want to change their coordinate system to a specific coordinate system. So this is used to reproject multiple layers. If you are reprojecting just a single layer, this is the best option to use, project. I'm going to be clicking project. Then it is a good practice when you want to run a particular tool to check for the information on the input parameters that you have. So this is telling us that we need to input the feature class or a feature layer that we need to be projected. We'll start by selecting health facilities. So this is to tell us that the current coordinate system is GCS WGS 1984. So we need to give the output a name. Based on default, we have health facilities project. This will enable us to identify this from the current layer that we have. We need to pick the coordinate system for the output. We can do this in two ways, either by selecting a current layer that has that actual coordinate system we want to project to. But if not, we'll click this select coordinate system and locate the right coordinate system we want for the layer. Remember, if we want to calculate distances, area, there is need for us to use projected coordinate system. So we'll locate projected coordinate system and locate UTM and locate Africa. We locate MENA UTM zone 31N, which is the UTM zone under which the study area we are working on falls. So if you are working in another study area, you need to confirm the actual UTM zone for that study area. So UTM zone 31N will be selected for this study area. I'll click OK. Then I can run the tools. Now the projection is completed. I can return back to my content. Then when I go back to check the layer properties for this layer, coming to source and expanding spatial reference, then my layer must have been reprojected to the actual coordinate system, which is MENA UTM zone 31N. You can do this for all the layers in batch. In today's tutorial, you've learned how to identify and change coordinate systems in ArcGIS Pro. This knowledge is key to making sure your spatial data is accurate and aligned with the real-world locations. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like and subscribe for more GIS tutorials. And let us know if you have questions in the comments. Thanks for watching and see you on day 5. Bye!